Oh, it's a 70, like, 2 Duster 340. Alright, now we're into some Mopars here at Elmer's Auto Graveyard. It's like a 72 Dodge Charger. I'll know in a second from the grill. No, 73, 74. 73, 74 Dodge Charger again. Alright, now we're back to GM. Star Chief. Okay. Omega or something. Oh, it is a Nova. Ooh, Torino convertible. Ooh, that breeze feels good. It's for my friend Bill at Flat Broke Garage. Torino convertible. He's building a Torino GT right now. And he has the Falcarina, which is a 4-door 70 Falcon. And here's a like 71 Falcon or a Torino wagon. That's cool. Here's a Mustang convertible. Another Mustang convertible. Mustang Grande. Big old Chrysler. 2-door. Oh, here's a Duster. Let's see what kind of Duster it is. Looks like someone moved it recently. Oh, it's a 70, like, 2 Duster 340. I don't know if you can see the 340 rear stripe, and can't tell by the VIN number because it's completely fogged over, and the fender tag is rather rusty, but it looks original. Sold something something. Okay, 72 Duster 340. That's what it says right there. That is neat. I like the 340 Dusters a lot. They are one of the best all-around Mopars that you can get. Gotta go down the hill to get the picture. Okay, another Charger, 73 or 74 SE. Got a Datsun. And I think that's it for this row. Unfortunately, that was also the end of the original audio on this episode of the video, because for some reason unknown to me, all the audio on this segment doesn't exist. I thought it was a mistake in the editing program that I have, but it was not. There was no audio on this clip. The next one has it, and all the others have it. For some reason, this clip where I walked on the row of Trans Ams Firebirds and other Firebirds, for some reason, none of the audio recorded. But that's fine. You get an idea of all the cars that are in it, because I was incorrect. It wasn't 2 episodes before that was the focus with the Firebirds. Those were definitely Firebirds, but this is the main row. This is about a dozen Firebirds from basically like 72, 73, all the way up to 78, maybe even 80. I know they have one early one, which you'll see here in a bit, like a 72, and I think a 173 or 74. No Super Duties, but a bunch of Trans Am, a lot of shaker hoods, a lot of 455 cars. I think there was 1 or 2 turbo Trans Ams, but when they had received these cars, they had been either like repossessions, or if they were in junkyards from being in wrecks. They saved them from being parted out even more than the situation they are in now. That's a cool old Power Wagon cab right there. I hope someone saves that, because those are getting harder to find. But all of them are getting hard to find. Finding Firebird parts, especially the early ones like this one right here. I think that was a 73 or 4 formula. Then this Trans Am that had all the really cool pinstriping. That was neat to see. Definitely unexpected. I don't know how I missed it the last time I was there. These cabs, though, those were neat. I think they were all either Ford Power Wagon. Ford or Power Wagons. I think the middle one might have been an International. But it's really neat to see. And here I'm just trying to explain how the yard is laid out. How there's Ford and Chevy on one side and the back's all Mopar. And then there's other parts that I don't even get a chance to go see. I ran out of time. The yard is so expansive, I could spend days in there. And I plan to in the future, doing more follow-ups. Really hitting the ground hard and documenting as much as I can. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video from Elmer's Auto Salvage in Fountain City, Wisconsin. They're doing another junkyard walk here on, I believe, November 2nd. I'll put the flyer here in the video. But this was, as I said in the video, because what happened with, I don't know what happened to the audio. It's so weird that the video before it and the video after it, no problem. But the video with all the Firebirds, nothing. I don't know. Everything else has worked since. But yep, so I am in full MCACN prep right now. I was at Magnum Auto Restoration and I documented the Hurricane Superbird for the last time before the unveiling. The unveiling will be happening on Saturday morning between 9:30 and 10 in the Magnum Restoration booth at the show. I will be there. We're going to do a live stream on YouTube of the unveiling. So this should be a lot of fun. If you guys have any comments or questions on the Hurricane Superbird or anything you see, like there's going to be a Demon GSS, which you'll see in the update video, which I'll talk about in a second because I got some really cool updates. I will post about all of it in the update video. Now, for November, which some YouTube people call Subvember, is when you push out really good content to try to drive subscribers to your channel. And that's what I'm going to be doing. I have a month of nothing but barn find and yard find and garage find wing cars. So it's going to be, we're going to start off with the Hurricane Superbird update on November, I think, 4th. And then we got a Hemi Superbird barn find, which has been sitting, I think, since the 70s. We have another Hemi Superbird. It was barn find, chicken coop find, but it's now going to be driven. That's going to be the third video. And then the fourth video will be the wrecked 69 Daytona that's been off the road since 1970. It was wrecked in, I believe my notes say, like August of 1970 in Wisconsin. It was put away and it's been sitting ever since. If you want to talk about a car that had a quick heart, it died quick, this is that. But it's cool because it's a time capsule. It's legitimately untouched and it's pretty rust free. It's never been, it was outside for a little bit of its life, but most of the time it was inside in a heated garage, and it will be restored here shortly, which you'll hear in the video. But that's my plan for November. I have one other extra video before MCACN on a very special front-wheel drive car, which I'm not going to spoil. If you saw my social media, I did one little spoiler when I was documenting it. But I also plan on doing some smaller videos, maybe on Fridays, on some of the work I've been doing on the green car. Like right here, I took all the interior trim. Well, it's been nice. And someone had badly painted this black, like with 1970s terrible. Oh, it's actually blue and black. It was, but this is the original green trim for my 71, and I'm going to be painting it the proper trim black. I actually did over on the backside of the green car. I've already done 3 pieces, but I ran out of time, and they're drying back there. But this has been one of the main pieces I've been working on because I need to get that done. I have a whole pile of it over here that tomorrow I will be painting, which is Monday the 21st, because it's going to be 80 degrees here in Chicago. It's October. October 21st is going to be 80 degrees. Blows my mind. Me and my friend went out to dinner tonight and we sat outside. It was absolutely beautiful. But yeah, I might be going to Detroit here at the end of the month to do more MCACN stuff. We got most of the map plotted out where everyone goes. That's been exciting. And yeah, it's really coming into focus and it's really getting real. And a little PTSD setting in. But it'll be all right. If you guys have any comments or questions on this video or any of the others, please let me know in the comments below. I do release a new video every Monday, and I will be until I can't anymore. And what else we got going? Oh, please subscribe and share this video. It helps me out. Otherwise, I will talk to you all soon. You all stay safe.